What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're walking around a 1969 GTX with a 440 under the hood. This has got aluminum radiator on it. What I do in these videos is walk around, point out any kind of flaws that I find so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Try to go over everything. If I do miss something, check maplemotors.com. We got close to 100 detailed pictures. It's done by another guy. We're all family here. It's done by my uncle. His name's Jeff. So definitely check our website, maplemotors.com, for finance and shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and all of our inventory is updated every Monday. You can also check us out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. We do two-part videos. A test drive's coming up after this one. So wait to the end of the video or type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar, and you can find the test drive or the walk around of any car in our lot. Front bumper on this one is pretty clean. Looks like it's been replaced. The grille looks pretty good. It's not perfect. Start by going down the side here. We're going to start on the lower portion of the car and then come back on the middle and then end on the top. That way we cover everything. I'm looking for any kind of work that's been done. Bubbles in the paint or runs. You see right there in the corner is a paint run and a chip. A little bit of a scratch in the paint right there. A paint run down in the bottom. Back end looks great. All right. Now we're going to run down the middle of the car here. You can see they've replaced the door handles. They're nice and clean looking. Coming back over the top. There's a big old scratch on the windshield there and a chip here, so the windshield probably gonna need to be replaced. If you want perfection, at least. There is pitting popping up around the vent windows on the trim. Most of the trim looks pretty good. Checking the roof line out. Very straight, clean looking. Coming back around the back side here. Dual exhaust out the back bumper's been replaced. Weather stripping looks fairly new, and the trunk looks awesome. Checking the package tray out. It's nice and clean. Very nice car. Go ahead and shut the trunk down. You got some pitting on your emblem back here. Like a little bubble in the paint right there below the emblem. There's a chip right here on the trunk. Shuts pretty good. It is hanging out a little bit. See, it's kind of pushed forward. Coming down this side, do the same thing. We're going to run the bottom, come back the middle, and go back to the top. Let's check it out. Tires are in pretty good shape. Looks pretty solid on this side. I'm not seeing really much of anything. Let's come back down the middle. The lock's got a little bit of rust popping up on it, some surface rust. Trim here's a little scuffed. There's a little dimple in the paint there. You also have some little scuffs and dents in your trim. And it looks like a bubble underneath the paint. Some pitting popping up around the vent window and your mirror. Under the hood's nice and clean as well. Got some overspray right here. And on the edge. Got the big wires. Electric fans. All right, let's jump on the interior. Notice the button fell in on this. Somebody pushed it in out here on the lot. Try to get that fixed. It's definitely an easy fix. The door panel's in great shape. Weather stripping around the door panel. It looks fairly clean. Check at the bottoms of the door. You do got some chips down here, probably where people kick it when they get in and out. A little pitting on your door handle. Not perfect. Coming into the interior here. Seats are in good shape. Carpet doesn't look bad, it's blue. But start thinking about it, place your bets. 50% of our horns don't work. I don't know why, they're old, I guess. And you think the horn works on this one? Back seat's good, package tray's good, headliner not too bad, little stretched right here. You see how it's kind of hanging. Doing that a little bit everywhere, but it still looks good. It can be left alone. Got some cup holders. I like that. I always need some cup holders. My car, I just opened the glove box and set the drink down in there. The dash is in great shape. Nice and shiny. Awesome. Guess we'll keep that on the floor there. We're gonna go ahead and start her up. Gas gauge is on E. We're gonna stop at the gas station during our test drive and see if that works. I don't know if the alternator gauge is working. It never moved when we started the car. We'll go ahead and try that horn. Y'all place your bets. I'm trying everything I can, but there's no horn. It's silent. Wipers work. Radio, it's pretty vintage there. I don't think it's gonna work. Radio's not working. No AC on this car, but let's see if we got a blower motor. I don't hear anything kicking on. It looks like the guts are under there. not working. Little light's working there. Somebody installed a power outlet. Like I said, some cup holders. Got your seat belts in here. I can show you the miles. I can't stand behind them on a 69 model. Nice and quiet. Belt's a little bit squeaky down there. The kick down's not hooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the hood down. It comes down nice and easy, as you can see. Barely even come down pretty smooth, really. Car's got a good look to it. Stripes are a bit faded right here on the edge. Still doesn't look bad. Sitting a little high on the edge. Push it down, it lines up. All right, guys, we're gonna do some undercarriage shots. Check out maplemotors.com for them detailed pictures. Just in case I missed anything, he will catch it. We'll start up here in the front, go all the way around the car, and then we're gonna get ready to do the test drive. So be looking for the test drive video, the last 30 seconds of this one. I do appreciate y'all watching. Join us on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. We post a lot of content on there. You can see our updated inventory at maplemotors.com. Update that every Monday. We have financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. If you hit that subscribe button, you'll be able to see daily content and test drives of every car, including full lot walkarounds. All right, guys, getting ready to take off down the road in this one. If you want to see the test drive, go ahead, click that test drive video right there. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.